to the second episode of the video on business name registration. So on this episode of the video, we are going to take you through on how to do name reservation and some certain things that you need to know. So you will start by taking our cursor here. This is reservation button. You come to name reservation. You can have time to sit down and read all these things, but we are in a class. You don't have to sit and read all these things. You need to go straight forward to the importance area so like the video will not be so long. So come to come to business classification. Business classification. Then you can see we have business name, company, limited partnership, limited liability partnership. So we are not to do all those things. That is 4 section segment of classes. So we were in business name class. So you select business name and then select sole proprietorship. Please select sole proprietorship, because in most cases, if you get a job to do for your clients and then you now go and select the owner of the business as a partnership, it will cause a lot of issue and a lot of errors when the person wants to open a business account or the person has anything to get a document from bank. It is going to cause a lot of issue, because for you to change, if you register a business name, then you put the owner of the business as a partner, you cannot change it back. Please, you cannot change it back. Don't let any educator, CSC educator online tell you that you can change it back. You cannot change it back, but you can only modify, can only do modification, which does not mean total or erase. It does not mean total erase on the portal. You can only do modification for the person to use it in bank and do whatsoever I wanted to use it for. But in this case, it is advisable for you to use sole proprietorship and register a self-owned man business. Even if the person adds his wife can be a partner, but the person that owns the business must be the proprietor, which is the sole proprietorship. So we select sole proprietorship and click continue. Click continue. It is not finished at that point, so you can see another space has come out, which we are going to do some necessary things. And then what are the necessary things that we are going to do here? You will input the name of the business that we want to register. First, this point was reservations area, so I'll just find appealing chill more. Then you move to nature of business. What is nature of business? Nature of business is simply the main services, like the outstanding services that you are going to list what you are doing inside. So at this point, you are advisable to use administrative and support services activities, so that you will be able to choose either general merchandise, general contract, or any of the services that the person might be doing. So after selecting that, you come to specify nature of business and click. You can see the listed specify nature of business. There are plenty: domestic support service, dealing in jewelry and accessories, cybercab and business center, commission agency, cool room services, coolers services, cleaning and forwarding services, catering services, car wash services, boutique services, block industry, and the rest. So at this point, we are just going to make use of let's just choose one business, because you're just using this for practical. It's not that you are registering it, we are using it for practical. So I will go for boutique services. After clicking boutique services, we are to do name search. So this is where you normally hear of name search. So at this point, we are using new portal, CSC new portal, to do this tutorial, not the old portal, because the old portal was not like this. So this new portal has also make it easier for people to be able to capture